Hello everyone, I'm Hala,
I'm Katie.
and we would like to present for you our parking lot vacancy detection. Our project is very simple and very applicable because it applies to Abu Dhabi and the issue of parking places, finding an empty parking places here. It would take, for any driver, it would take him hours and hours circling around the parking place to find an empty spot. But this problem has many side effects. So we try to find a way to make this process much simpler for the driver.
So, what we did was we combined 3 different image detection algorithms on a camera feed of the parking lot to detect empty parking spaces. And once we know where the empty parking spaces are, we can send them to drivers, and drivers can go to the nearest empty parking space without searching around.
Yep.
And the 3 different algorithms we used are blob detection. Here you can see it can tell when a car moves into or out of a parking space. Color histogram classification, that's here. And you see here it can tell whether there is a car or not in a space based on whether the space is pavement colored. And the 3rd algorithm we used was edge detection, where it detects the edge between different colors, and it decides that if there's not very many edges, it's a parking space, because there are not very many edges between colors on pavement as compared to when there are cars.
So you just might wonder, how did we do this? We just basically recorded a 24-hour video from the 12th floor of Sama Tower to get a better view of the parking place. And that's how we got our videos, and that's how we eventually were able to analyze them. For our precision, we actually got really good results. Maybe Katie would like to tell you about this.
So our algorithm combined had 99.2% accuracy. However, it was not very precise when looking at empty spaces. But that's because in our training data set, we didn't have that many empty spaces, so we are confident that we can improve this.
Yes. Future steps. We're actually planning to, what to do?
We are planning to have a smartphone app that drivers can use to see this data and figure out where the nearest empty space is.
Yes.
Or perhaps an SMS system.
Exactly, that could also tell the location of the empty parking place, and literally within just seconds or even less than that, we can just find an empty place.
And it's almost free.
Yes, almost free. Yes. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yes.
Goodbye.